everybody, welcome to Home Fit Champions. Today we want to work our abdominal muscle. During this exercise, all you need is a chair. We're going to do it in a chair. And also, you need a yoga mat. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video. Leave your comments below. Welcome back. Thank you all those people that have subscribed to my channel. Don't forget to share this video. Also is giving motivation to so many people that would like to start exercising to keep a healthy lifestyle. So let's get started. I'm ready. Are you ready? Yes, you are, because we got this. Relaxing our abdominal. They've been working hard today. You can do abdominal exercise 5 minutes. Cannot be done more than that, but definitely you can do different repetition. Depends how you feel. Not because you wasn't sweating, that doesn't mean that you haven't burned no calories. In fact, you have. Every time we do abdominal exercise, we burn a bunch of calories. After you're done with this exercise, eat your protein, cut off sugar, hydrate yourself. Don't go into eating a lot of carbs just because you just work out. In order for you to lose weight and burn fat, you have to consume your protein. So one more second here. Engage your core is really important. You want to feel it and your heart start bumping. That's means you're burning calories. All right, knee first. Oof. Oh, we are done. It was 4 exercises. We finished with doing plank. Plank is really good, especially for people that has abdominal separation after pregnancy. Especially when the woman also has C-section, it's good to do plank, not good to do sit-up. 5 minutes a day, every day. You can work your abdominal every single day, no more than 5 minutes. So you can see the result more faster. Also, remember again, eat your protein. Thank you for visiting uh, Home Fit Champions. I still sweaty here. Even if, oh yeah, we do. We're burning calories. So thank you for visiting Home Fit Champions. Remember, you are champions and you got this. See you next time. Bye.